So using our miter saw protractor, here's our angle we need to measure. Just going to put the protractor right up in there and extend it out to both sides. Once we're flush on both sides, we can pull it down and get our measurements. Now you'll notice you have two numbers here. For a single cut, we're looking at about 47 degrees, or for a miter cut, we're looking at about 22 degrees. So you see you're basically taking the 47 and splitting it in half. Miter cut would be if we're putting two boards in here and we want to split the difference. I'm just going to do one over to this angle, so I'm going to use the single cut and cut my board to 47 degrees. So here's our board that we cut to 47 degrees on the miter saw. Perfect. Great tool to have in the toolbox for making these difficult cuts and saving a lot of time in measuring and playing with angles. Just to be sure, you can even lay your miter gauge right up against there and verify the angle. Perfect. Again. And there it is. Turned out perfect. Don't judge the framing yet, we're not done. We got all these complicated angles done in no time. Really hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit it with a like, subscribe to the channel, or also check out my Amazon store at amazon.com/shop/rednecktech for this and more great products for your DIY projects. Thanks for watching.